Yo, welcome back. This is Week Check. We're going to be looking at kicks dropping from Monday the 15th to Sunday the 21st of August. Let's go. Yes, welcome back everybody. If you're new to the channel, my name's Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers, just basically try and help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. So if you haven't, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell and definitely hit the like button if this gives you context. If you're coming back to the channel, this is my week check. I drop every Sunday to let you know upcoming kicks in the next 7 days. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit notification bell, and everyone comment, let me know what you got. So this is the week after Sneakers Day, which happened on the 8th of August. They dropped 4 kicks like what I done in my video. You'll see it up there where I said what they're going to drop. They dropped the Air Force One Sneakers Day. They dropped the Air Max 1 Tour Yellow. They dropped the Jordan 1 Taxi. And they dropped the Jordan 4, I think they call them Condor, I can't remember, but the purple and green ones. 50-50, women's exclusive, men's exclusive, but they've done them in the larger size or larger size range, so you can all get them. And last week as well, they, the surprise drops as well. They dropped the Adidas NMDS ones. I managed to cop them, so happy. Been trying to get hold of those for ages. If you all know me, you know I've been trying to get those silhouettes for a long time. Finally got them, haven't come. Definitely doing a review on those when they come through. But all that said and done, let's do a bit of housekeeping. As you know, or if you don't already know, I'm giving you the information I have at the time of recording. So I can't take into account any surprise drops. I can't take into account any delays. I definitely can't take into account any withdrawals, because that's just what the sneaker industry is. So everything I'm giving you now is what I know at the time of recording. If you enter raffles like Size and FootPatrol and some other raffles, make sure you read the T's and C's, because they will secure that money in your account. So it's almost as if it's gone from your account. So if you're going for multiple drops, just make sure you have enough funding in there, because they will take that money. They will hold that money until you win. If you win, then they'll take it out. If you are unsuccessful, you take that L, they will refund it, or you can get hold of it. They say up to 5 working days after that. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this. Let's see what's dropping this week. So Monday the 15th of August, let's see what's dropping today. The first drop I can see dropping today is the Adidas Forum Lows 84S Carolina Blue. They're dropping for £85. You can pick this up on Confirmed and SNS. The only other drop I see dropping today is a women's exclusive Jordan 1 Mid Multicolour. This is going on FootPatrol and Size, and you can pick this up for £125. I can see no drops on Tuesday 16th of August, so we're going to jump straight into Wednesday the 17th of August. Let's go. So Wednesday 17th of August, first drop I can see today is Adidas Collab Women's Exclusive with Stella McCarthy. This is a Solarglide running shoe. It's going for £180 and it's on Confirmed. The next up is Adidas 4D Forward 2 Runner. This is going for £180 and again you can pick this up on Confirmed. The last but not least is a Jordan 1 Elevate Low SE. This is called Silver Toe. You can pick this up for £135 on Size and FootPatrol. Thursday 18th of August, we have quite a few drops dropping today, so let's just get straight into this. So first up this morning on Thursday the 18th of August, we have a Nike Dunk Low called Judge Grey. It's going for £100 and you can pick this up on Size. Also on Size is a Dunk High called Mocha. This is going for £110 and like I said, you can pick this up on Size. Next up, we have a Size exclusive with Adidas, and this is called Adidas Original Athen OG. You can pick this up in 2 colorways. You have a blue green and a red yellow. These are both going for £85, and because it's Size exclusive, they're only on Size. We then have a New Balance collab with ThisIsNeverThat in the M1906R silhouette in silver color. This is going for £155 and you pick this up on FootPatrol. We then have another New Balance collab with ThisIsNeverThat, but this time it's in the M2002R silhouette. The colour is grey and again this is going for £155. You pick this up on FootPatrol. We then have the Nike Ambush Air Adjust Force SP. This is coming in 2 different colorways. You have the white black purple and the black white purple. These are going for £190 and again you can pick these up on FootPatrol. Moving on to Friday the 19th of August, Again, we have quite a few drops dropping today, so let's get into this. First up, we have the New Balance and Brian Gill's collab in the New Balance M2002R silhouette. This is called Mule White. This is going for £110, and you can pick this up on the New Balance website and End. You then have a second chance to get your hands on the New Balance collab with ThisIsNeverThat in both the M1906R silhouette and M2002R silhouette. Again in the same colorways, again going for £155, and again you can pick these up on the New Balance website, but this time also on End and SNS. Now these next releases were released last week on sneakers, but you got a second chance to pick these up, and we talk about the women's exclusive Jordan 1 High Denims. This is going for £155, but this time you can pick them up on End. Again, you now have a second chance to pick up the Nike Ambush Air Adjust Force SP. They're £190, but this time you can pick them up on sneakers and on End. We then have an old classic in Air Max 97s. This is going in the medium brown colorway. They're going for £165, and you can pick this up on SNS. Moving on to the last drops of the week. There is no drops on Sunday, but we're talking about Saturday the 20th of August. Let's see what's dropping. So first up on Saturday the 20th of August, we have the Adidas Adileck 22s. These are coming in 3 different colorways. You have the carbon aluminium, and then you have the magic lime and desert sand colorways. These are all going for £45, and you pick these up on End. We then have a classic release of the Nike Air Max 95s. These are coming in 2 different colorways. You have the Team Red, and then you also have the Summit White, Light Bone and Coup colorway. These are both going for £165, and you pick these up on End. We then have a Jordan 1 mid called White and Stealth. This is going for £110, and again you can pick these up on End. You now have a second chance to get your hands on the Jordan 1 Elevate Low, the silver toe colorway. This is still going for £125, but this time you pick them up on End. Last not least, we have the Adidas Crazy One. This is going for £120. You can pick this up on Confirmed and also possibly Offspring. I'm not too sure, but definitely on Confirmed. So that's the end of week check. I hope I've given you as much information as I can for the kicks coming up. Let me know if there's anything out there you want to grab hold of. Follow me on Instagram at PatrickT4Real. I upload every day just to make sure you know what's dropping, and if there's surprise drops or new drops coming in, you'll definitely know by following me on Instagram. So again, follow me on Instagram, PatrickT4Real. But that's it, end of week check. I hope this video gave you context. Please like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next week with another episode of Week Check. Peace.